Today we're going to look at the gimbal stabilizer. And so I'm just opening the case. Product includes, so we have the manual, the warranty, satisfaction. We have a USB cable. Here's the tripod, a little string, and the gimbal stabilizer. Here we have the charging port. Cable connects easily. Here I'm just going to put the tripod. Takes seconds and holds the pretty much the gimbal fairly easy. Here's the smartphone port, and to the top right we see the app, and so I'm just going to continue to show the app portion of it to the right. There's 3 battery levels: high, medium, and low. And so again, the app, I'm showing how to install and all the other different features in the app portion to the right. Here we have 3 settings: pan, tilt, follow mode, pan, follow mode, and lock mode. So you just click each one and it cycles through. Here I'm doing the setup, and so you just want to put the phone in the tripod and make sure it's pressed all the way down right there. And all you have to do is click it on, and it's stabilized. You can move left, right, up and down. It's a very easy to use gimbal stabilizer for your smartphone. Had no issues. It's probably one of the best ones I've used, and works fairly easy compared to other ones where I've had issues and they haven't worked. And so here I'm just going to show the stabilizing part. So you're going to want to hold the bottom part down the whole time, and you just stabilize it, and it should work. Next I'm just going to show some of the video that I show stabilizing it. Now you might have to edit in Adobe or whatever software and clean up a little bit, but it stabilizes for the most part.